I have used different AIs, but believe me, this one is incredible. You will be amazed that this AI generates real-time images, upscales your images or videos, and the most astonishing thing is, it can generate videos based on the photos and prompts you give it. Not just that, what are you seeing in this image? A beautiful scene of an island filled with water. But wait, blur your eyes and look at the image again. What do you see? Exactly. This is called logo illusion, and it's OpenAI's logo. Let's try this one. Blur your eyes and see. This is me, right? Believe it or not, this AI is on another level, and it's not as easy as just giving a prompt. A little bit of trick is required. Let me show you. The AI I'm talking about is Krea. Go to your favorite search engine and search for Krea AI. Open the first website. There it is, the home page of Krea AI. If I'm not wrong, you will be seeing these options: real-time image generation, photo or video enhancer, video generation, logo illusion, AI patterns, etc. Let's begin with the first one, image generation. Look at the options on the left side: text to image, screen to image, and camera. Let's go with the first one, text to image. Describe your text here. There we go. Here is the generated image. This is real-time generation, meaning as you change the text, the image will change instantly. Now look at the right side. These options change the mode of the image. For example, if I select cartoon, the image changes to a cartoonish mode now. Next is image to image. As you select this option, these tools will be at your disposal. This mode is useful for creating different variations of the same image without changing the prompt. Let's see. The first tool is select and move. You can select and drag objects around with this tool. Next is shapes. Draw any shape and Krea will try to understand the shape and make changes accordingly. Next, image generation. Generate an image. Based on the generated image, the Krea AI will try to apply the scene to the image. Or instead of a generated image, you can also upload your image from here. Next is the paintbrush. Draw anything and the AI will try to draw objects according to your drawing. Next, the eraser, which will help you erase your drawing if you have drawn something wrong. Moving on, canvas background, from which you can change your workspace background. This is for undo, redo, and delete. On the right side, this first option is for quick enhance, which will try to upscale your images as quickly as possible. The second is for downloading the image. And the third one is for sending the image to enhance and upscale, which we will see later. Down here, you can change the aspect ratio as well as the view scene. Coming next, enhancer, which is used to enhance either videos or images to Ultra HD. Upload your video or photo, and in just seconds, your result will be ready. Going forward, video generation. This is a little bit tricky, but easy. Yeah. First, remove all the existing images and prompts like I did. Don't worry, I will explain everything. First, click on Add Keyframe. Here you have to upload your image, or you can generate one using AI. After uploading the image, next you have to give the prompt. Click anywhere down and give your prompt. Next, I will repeat the same steps. You can add as many as you want. From here, you can change the clip duration, or click this settings icon, and here you can change the aspect ratio, motion intensity, and loop video. Next, you can change your video mode from here. First, let's go with the default, which is film. After that, click on Generate Video. There we go. Here is the generated video. This is the download button. Now let's try experimental mode. Amazing. Check out the remaining two by yourself. Coming next to the logo illusion. First, you will see the change logo option. This is what your image will be based on. From here, you can select either a pre-built logo or you can upload your own. I will select the Instagram logo. Next, give the prompt and click on Generate Illusion. Fantastic. From here, you can edit the image, make adjustments, and make it better. Save the image from here. Done. I have told you as much as I can about this AI, and I hope you have learned something new. If you felt this video was helpful, then it's your time to show your support.